Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, May 6, 2024. We're going down with QQQ. We're expecting about a $1 drop. Here in a bit, we'll go over the exact details on why we decided to get into this setup. I'm going to have to punch out a little over 400. I have a phone call I need to take. Now that we have time, we're going to come back and we're going to discuss the details and the reasons why we took this setup from earlier. We had an inverted H, lightning to the downside. Inverted H, lightning to the downside. 555, inverted H with our oscillators. That's the reason why we took this setup.